Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda ST1300. This hypersport touring bike just arrived with only 20,000 miles on the odometer. V-4 liquid cooled fuel injection. This bike is in beautiful shape with very low miles, heated grips, adjustable electric windshield. It's got the top case and a fantastic sounding stain tune exhaust. Come on by, make your sport touring dreams come true. This awesome low mileage ST1300, priced to sell at just $49.90. This bike's a little old for financing, so bring your checkbook. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Nice adjustable windscreen. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.